names on this wall, Virat.
Yeah.
One has remained constant for 18 years. I mean, we won't get into RCB and 18 years and all that, but let's expand that conversation. If you think of global sports people, and I'm talking about legends and icons, the Jordans, Schumachers, Hamiltons, Cristiano Ronaldo's, Messi's. I think we did our research and found maybe only Tom Brady is one who stayed with one franchise for 19 years. Have you ever thought of it that way when you think about global sports people?
There are a couple of others. They might not have been that big names. Steven Gerrard was one. Francesco Totti was one. He stayed at Roma through his whole career. I've mentioned this before. I had the opportunity to explore, to look elsewhere, especially in the very prime peak years of my career from 16 to 19. I had constant, this suggestions and whatnot to switch and this, that, and the other. And at one point, it did become really tough for me because there was just too much happening in my career. I was captaining India for a period of 7-8 years. I was captaining RCB for 9 years. There was expectations on me from a batting perspective every game that I played. I didn't have this sense that the attention is off me. If it wasn't captaincy, it was batting. If it was batting, it was captaincy. So I was always, in this space where I was like, what do I do? Yeah, and I was exposed to it like 24/7, and it did get very, very tough on me, and it did get too much in the end. That's why I stepped down, because I felt like, okay, if I've decided I want to be in this place, I need to be happy. I need to have a space in my life where I can just come and play my cricket without being judged, without being looked at as what is he gonna do this season, and what's gonna happen now, this, that, and the other. So I did feel, I wouldn't say tempted, but I did think about it. I also asked myself the question that what is more valuable to me? I have won a lot of things in my career for India. I have won a lot of accolades as well. Playing for India, there's always something that can keep you engaged in a wrong way in terms of desires, Okay, everything but this. That but is never going to go away. So I thought, fine, what is of more value to me today? Do I want to go to a new setup and try to figure out life again? And I don't know how the system's going to be, how people are going to treat me, how patient people are going to be with me. They've brought me in for X, Y, Z reasons. If those reasons are not met, what is the dynamic going to turn out to be? So I felt like, for me, what's more valuable is the relationship and the mutual respect that has been created over so many years. And I'm just going to see it through now. It's whether we win or we don't win, it's fine. This is my moment. The love that I've received from the fans, I don't think any silverware or any trophy can come close to that, because the impact of that love from people hits you very different to winning something and that next morning it's all gone. This, I feel, will stay with me for life.